Welcome back to Carolina Rock Cuddles. Today we are looking at the 350. This is going to be a short video, so it's going to come out on Thursday instead of Sunday. And I just got to show y'all some stuff right fast. So the old Rancher here has been having carburetor issues for a while. And I got to show y'all why. So this is the cheap carburetor. This is the $20 one you get off Amazon. So when you buy it, the cord already comes backwards. Instead of having a male end on this end, yeah, I think it was a male or female end. It's the wrong one. So I had to cut and splice to put one on it. Already a bad choice when you buy one. Then, apparently, y'all, wait for it. It's been getting moisture in it. I don't know how to. Look at that. See the moisture in there? And it's not coming from this end. Like, this end is just from where, this is just from the air box. So it could have came from the air box there. But this has been sticking for a while, but it's not coming from this end, it don't look like. So it's coming from some, I don't know where. This carved a piece of junk. As you can see, the throttle's broke now. It won't even move because obviously, look at that rust. Like, that's just bad. So we got a nice $50 carb. I'm not even going to try to pronounce that name. I've been trying to pronounce it for the last hour. And yeah, it sounds worse and worse from my accent. So I went ahead and put this one on. It already has more vent lines. That one, if you look, all it had was this one hole on the side for a vent line, and yeah, it didn't work. That's it. Only one hole. I don't know why. And this one has the two vents and this little, I don't know what this is, but that one does not have it. This has two vents. Oh, and I gotta show you all this. Why can't every company do this when they send you a carb? A two-way check valve. Look. Oh my gosh. What? How hard is that, guys? Come on. Company. This is one reason why I can say I do not like a lot of these cheap companies. Now, here you go. Watch this. Starts up first try. I didn't have to tune it. I didn't have to do anything. This thing started up the first try. And I've been letting it sit for like, I don't know how long now. And it's not leaking gas. That cheap carb that I put on here a year ago, that thing has never stopped leaking gas. I had to cut the gas off every time we got done. And I had to take it apart like I don't know how many times to get the float to stop sticking just enough to drive it. So, bottom line, do not buy the $20 cheap carb. Buy this one right here. I want to say Nikolai, but I don't think it's Nikolai. Buy it. It's like $50 on Amazon. Way better carb. The two-way check valve is just worth it to me because like so many companies just put a little hose on it. They went above and beyond. It's been running fine. No, I didn't have to tune it. I mean, that's just worth its salt to me. So just wanted to show y'all. Anyways, guys, I hope you like this short video of me talking crap about the $20 carb. That I've gotten so many views from that video, which is kind of sad. At least it showed everybody how to put a carb on. So anyways, guys, I hope to see y'all on the next one, which will be this Sunday when I think it's a 500 video this week. But we're looking at a hurricane this weekend. So we're going to have a lot of rain, hopefully in North Carolina, so we can go mudding anywhere. So I'll see y'all on the next one.